Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to clear RAM cache on Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first, check current RAM usage. So to do that, just right click on your desktop and open Task Manager, and then go to the Performance tab on the left-hand menu. Click on Memory to view your current RAM usage and note the amount of cached RAM you have. And as for me, I currently have 1.1 gigabyte. So now to clear some of it, just open your web browser and go to google.com and search for RAM mapped and click on the official Microsoft link here and download this software like so. After downloading, open File Explorer by searching for it in the taskbar here and then navigate to your downloads folder here and then locate the RAM map zip file. So just double click to open the zip file and click extract all to unzip it like so. So once extracted, double click on the RAM map application, not the 64-bit version, just this one right here, okay? So just accept the permissions and agree to the license terms to open the program. So with RAM Map open, minimize other windows to focus on Task Manager and RAM Map. So let's just minimize this windows here. And then after that, in the RAM Map, click on Empty at the top menu. And then from the drop down menu, select Empty Standby List. So you will notice the cache RAM in Task Manager dropped significantly. So as you can see from mine, from 948 to just 262 MB. So it reduces cache memory and it improves overall computer performance, especially if you have limited RAM. Okay, so that's basically how you can clear RAM cache on Windows 11. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.